Hey guys, welcome to Brick Vault. I'm Ryan, and today I'm super excited about the build we're going to do because I'm a huge Joker fan. Because today, we're building Batman, the Joker Steamroller, part of the DC Comics superhero collection. This set is for ages 7 through 14. It's set 76013, and it has 486 pieces. This set comes with 5 minifigs. We get Batgirl, Robin, Batman, the Joker, and one of the Joker's goons. In this set we have Batman's Batwing, and it comes with 4 flick missiles and also sweeping wings that can grab. And here we have Joker's crazy steamroller, and it's gotta be one of the coolest paint jobs I've ever seen on a vehicle. I think I could even tenderize some meat with this steamroller. Alright, enough talk, more play, let's open this thing. Got bag 3, looks like Batwing pieces. Got the instructions and the comic book. Bag 4, more Batwing pieces. Bat 2, some Steamroller pieces. Bag 1, more Steamroller, and some stickers. And that's it. Awesome, well, we're gonna start. Why so serious? I'm like a dog chasing cars. I wouldn't know what to do with one if I caught it. Hey, I had so much fun building this set. Got 2 super cool vehicles here, and then 5 minifigs. I'm so stoked to play with it. Our Batman fig has the classic black suit, a black cloth cape. There's 2 facial expressions, one as a smirk and one as the game face, and of course he also has the little batarang. Our Batgirl fig has a black bat suit, gold gloves, a pink cloth cape, red hair, and she has 2 faces, one is happy and one is mad. The Robin minifig has his classic suit, green gloves, a yellow cloth cape. He comes with 2 faces, one is angry and one is surprised, and he also has his classic fighting staff. The Goon fig has purple pants, an orange deconstruction vest, a yellow hard hat, a red crowbar, and he looks mad. My favorite minifig, the Joker, has his classic purple suit and hat, his flag gun, and his smirk looks evil. I'll get you, Batman. Not today. Here we have the Batwing. It's got a cool bat tail, 2 turbojets, 4 flick missiles, and 2 wings that chomp. The action for chomping the wings is really smooth. Here we have the Joker's crazy steamroller. It comes with 2 awesome clown flick missiles, and the steamroller can swivel from side to side. I have to say this is one of the most unique LEGO vehicles I've ever seen. It's so colorful and it's just very strange looking. I had so much fun building this set. It's actually one of my all-time favorites, I have to say. I just love the Joker and I love the unique vehicles we have here. So if you like the set too, click the link below in the description and watch me make this pencil disappear. And it comes with 4 flick mickle bang gun like in the Tim Burton version of the movie. Burton.